Okay, why do cars in Japan easily last 20, even 30 years, while many cars in other countries start having problems after just 5 or 6 years? The secret isn't the engine. It's a simple maintenance habit Japanese drivers follow that most people completely ignore. And if you start doing this today, your car and even your tires can last almost twice as long. Today, I'll show you a Japanese car maintenance philosophy that mechanics in Japan swear by. It's called the preventive care culture, and it's the real reason why Toyota, Honda, and Nissan cars are known for extreme reliability. Let's start with the first Japanese rule most drivers never follow. Rule number 1, the 70% rule, engine life secret. In Japan, many drivers follow something called the 70% rule. This means they never push the engine to its maximum capacity regularly. If the engine redline is 6,000 revolutions per minute, they try to keep driving under 4,000 revolutions per minute most of the time. Why? Because engines wear exponentially faster when pushed near their limits. Driving calmly and smoothly can increase engine lifespan by hundreds of thousands of kilometers. This is why taxis in Japan sometimes run 500,000 kilometers on the same engine. Rule number 2, tire rotation culture, very important. Why? Because front tires wear much faster than rear tires. If you never rotate tires, one set can wear out twice as fast, but rotating tires evenly distributes wear. This simple habit can make tires last 40% longer. Many people only replace tires. Japanese drivers preserve them. Rule number 3, the warm-up habit. In colder regions of Japan, drivers follow a simple rule. They never drive aggressively immediately after starting the car. Instead, they drive gently for the first 5 minutes. Why? Because engine oil needs time to properly circulate. Driving aggressively when the engine is cold causes most long-term engine damage. This one habit alone can increase engine life dramatically. Rule number 4, the clean car philosophy. In Japan, many drivers believe something interesting. A clean car lasts longer. They regularly wash their cars to remove road salt, dust, pollution, moisture. This prevents rust and corrosion, which is one of the biggest reasons cars deteriorate over time. It's not just about appearance, it's about preservation. Rule number 5, small problems immediately fixed. In many countries, drivers wait until something breaks badly before fixing it. Japanese drivers do the opposite. If they hear a small noise, feel slight vibration, see a warning light, they fix it immediately. Why? Because small problems become very expensive problems later. This philosophy keeps cars running smoothly for decades. The tire longevity trick. Here's a small trick used by many careful drivers in Japan. They check tire pressure every 2 weeks. Most people wait until tires look flat, but slightly underinflated tires cause faster tire wear, worse fuel economy, more heat buildup. Correct pressure alone can extend tire life by 10 to 15%. So the real secret behind long-lasting Japanese cars isn't magic, it's discipline. Small habits, done consistently. Rotate tires, drive smoothly, fix problems early, maintain properly, and your car could easily last 15 to 20 years. If you love cars, POV drives, and hidden automotive tips, make sure you subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's the highest mileage you've ever seen on a car? I'll see you in the next drive.